If you drive a 2006 to 2012 Civic, you know that stock shifter can feel a little tired. This aftermarket accessory promises to make your daily commute feel like a brand new car experience. We're looking at the XINGWANGDYYI gear shift knob and boot cover designed specifically for the DX, X, and LX models, fitting both the 5 and 6-speed transmissions. The first thing that jumps out is the promise of an ideal accessory designed precisely for your vehicle. Installation is often the biggest headache with aftermarket parts, but the manufacturer claims this is incredibly easy, almost plug-and-play, fitting perfectly into the original car setup. That's a huge win for anyone who doesn't want to spend hours wrestling with tools. It's designed to be very suitable for your original car, providing a convenient and efficient installation experience, which is exactly what you want from a simple accessory. But let's talk about the feel. The ergonomic design is the real star here. They say it makes shifting faster and smoother, and while a knob won't magically fix your transmission, the improved grip and weight distribution absolutely enhance the manipulative sense. It feels more precise in the hand. This gear knob is specifically engineered to improve your driving practice and manipulative sense, ensuring that every shift is faster and smoother than before. That comfortable touch feeling isn't just about luxury, it's about increasing friction, which, surprisingly, does improve the driving safety factor, especially during quick shifts or spirited driving. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a tactile improvement that makes the mundane act of driving more engaging. The manufacturer, XINGWANGDYYI, stands behind the quality, offering sales service if you have any questions, emphasizing that excellent quality and first-class service are part of the package. For Civic owners looking for a simple, efficient upgrade that genuinely improves the daily driving experience and handling, this XINGWANGDYYI shifter accessory seems like a fantastic, purpose-built solution that delivers on its promise of comfort and control.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.